our resilient students, dedicated teachers, and esteemed school principals of Tubao and Aringay clusters. A warm and enthusiastic welcome to the opening of the school year 2025-2026. As your education supervisor, I stand with immense pride and optimism as we embark on this journey together. A journey brimming with promise, discovery, and growth. Students, this is your canvas. Whether you're stepping into a new classroom, beginning your final year, or navigating the exciting challenges of adolescence, remember that you are capable of extraordinary things. Dare to ask questions, embrace mistakes as a lesson, and lift each other up. Your curiosity, kindness, and courage will shape not just your future, but the future of Tubao and Aringay and beyond. Dream boldly. We're here to help you soar. Our teachers also, you are the heartbeats of our schools. Your passion transforms classrooms into spaces of inspiration, critical thinking, and hope. This year, I urge you to continue nurturing minds with empathy and creativity. Remember, the seeds you plant today, through patience, innovation, and an unwavering belief in every student, will bloom for generations. Thank you for your dedication. You are our change makers. And to our principals, your leadership steers our schools toward excellence as you foster environments of safety, inclusivity, and academic rigor. Know that your vision sets the tone for our entire cluster. Continuing continuing empowering your teachers, engaging families, and championing every student's potential. Your work is the foundation upon which greatness is built. The Tubao and Aringay clusters are more than schools. We are families, united by a shared vision to ignite lifelong learning, cultivate integrity, and uplift our community. Let this year be defined by collaboration, resilience, and joy. Celebrate small victories, support one another, and never forget education is the most powerful tool we have to change the world. As we begin, let's commit to making school year 2025-2026 a chapter of courage, compassion, and collective achievement. I am honored to walk this path with you, and I cannot wait to witness the brilliance that will unfold our campuses. So let's make this year extraordinary with great optimism and respect. Your Education Program Supervisor, Virgilio C. Buado.